Hi guys, I'm Santosh and I'm back with another video. So today we are here to talk about another small cap stock from infrastructure segment, which is Wellspun Enterprises. This has market capital a little over 1400 crores. This is available at a very attractive valuation. So before we get into its technicals, we'll just walk through its fundamentals first. So I'm following ticker tape for this. So let's look into its fundamentals. Uh, if you look at this stock in the past 1 year, it has not given any huge return. Uh, it has given just 20, nearly 17% return, and the reason being the corona, and also Q2 results were not in line with the expectations. The falling PAT and also falling EBITDA is one of the basic reason for this underperformance. But if you observe this chart carefully, it has been in the consolidation phase for quite a long time, and also its P ratio is very low compared to the sectoral P ratio. It is getting at a P ratio of 11 when compared to 72 for the sector, and also the book price to book ratio is also less than 1, which means it is at a very decent price to jump in. And if you look at the intrinsic value, the current price is way much less than the intrinsic value, so there is no doubt which is a right time to enter into this stock, especially for the short term investors, because until the market condition gets better, and also I'm talking about infrastructure market, and also the corona situation gets better, we cannot expect a huge upside in the PAT and EBITDA levels. But also uh, considering its fundamentals and the technicals, this should be the right opportunity to gain some extra bucks from this stock. And also when you look at the holdings, uh, the total promoter holding has been increased in the last 6 months by 3.59%, which is a very positive sign. And also if you look at the foreign institutions holding, uh, they also increased their stake by uh, some 0.1%, which is also a good sign. And now let's talk about the technicals. So let me just draw a trend line. And it is very clear that it was forming a triangular pattern, and it was clearly in the consolidation phase and ready for breakout. But just remember, unless this stock closes above this resistance line, trend line, it is not a good option to enter. Just wait for the stock to close above this trend line, so you will have enough support to take your position further. And see, it has taken support on this trend line 2 times now, and just wait for the stock to give that closing green candle above this trend line, so that it will restart its rally. And if you look at the volume also, uh, it is increasing slightly, especially today. And and this is because of the latest news, which is Actis, a private equity investor. uh, they are planning to acquire road assets from Welspun Enterprises for around 8,000 to 10,000 crore, and for this we need to get the confirmation from Welspun Enterprises to the BSE. So until then, just wait for it, and wait for the stock to close above this trend line, so that we can look for a target of 108 followed by 110, and then until 115, which is more than 10%. And yeah, this should be a great opportunity for short-term investors and very short-term investors. Just grab those extra bucks from this stock and leave this stock. I'm not suggesting this stock for long-term perspective. My analysis as per technical and also regarding fundamentals, I'm expecting a sharp up move in the very short term period. For long term perspective, we need to wait for the stock to outperform the expectations, both in revenue and EBITDA and also PAT levels. So 10% target is what we can achieve from this stock, that's for sure. And also, if you look at the support levels, it has a strong support on this trend line, and also here at 97 level, it has got a huge consolidation, so it should also act like a support. Let me draw a support line here. So this zone will act like a huge support for this stock, and if this breaks, then the next support would be this trend line. And so just wait for the opportunity, and it's all about right time to step in and right time to step out. So wait for the green candle to close above the trend line, and then you can enter it without any fear. So that's about today. And yesterday I have given my opinion on JK Lakshmi Cement share, and although the markets were in red, and broader markets are also in red, the stock is still in green, and at some point it has given around 2.4 percentage, and now it is trading in green only. So it's all about waiting for the opportunity and stepping it at the right time. So that's all, guys. I'll come up with another video with another stock, and remember, my analysis and my view is just for educational purpose. And if you want to take a position in this stock, you do your own analysis and talk to your uh, financial analyst, and then take a call. And so it's on you, completely on you. And yeah, so that's about it. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.